Hey all, it's Matt with Bonsai here. I was out doing some more work on my greenhouse behind me, getting everything all caulked in, when I got another package from Hirt's Garden. Super excited to get this thing opened up and check out what's inside. So let's get at it. Alright, so if you like these videos, make sure you go back and check out my other unboxing I did from Hirt's Gardens. I promise this time I know a little bit better what I got because I actually picked by species this time. So let's get this thing opened up. Alright, like always, lots of bubble wrap to keep everything safe. So let's check out this little guy right here. This one is looking to be the Japanese juniper that I ordered. And I love how it already came in a tall pot, so if I choose to do a cascade with it, I can actually start with it. Let me angle you better. I actually start with it from like right here. Just a cute little guy, maybe 2.5, 3 inches tall. Super cute though. Alright, on to the next one. This one looks like they packaged my other two in here together. So I'm only going to let you see one at a time. Alright, so these two are the same, so I'm counting it as one at a time. Looks pretty good here. Looks like UPS beat it up a little bit in the mail though. Soil was popping out through the top of it. So these two are little snowflake mings. Yes, it's a snowflake ming. Sorry, I had to write it down so I could remember. So these two will both make neat little trees. And then the last one I thought was kind of a cool idea as well. This is an Arabica coffee bean tree. So I think this one will make a pretty cool little bonsai once it starts to get older. It looks like it's just starting to get some of its major leaves in right now. I mean, that looked like just a little bit of a seed still on this one leaf right here. So I'm not sure exactly if this is just one or multiple. No, this is multiples. There's quite a few Arabica coffee bean trees inside this one planter. So I look forward to getting these all done up and making a video for you guys of me potting them all up. I'll probably end up just taking these and just splitting them up all into their own individual little pots. Just like this, little 2-inch pots, just split them all up. Then we'll see which ones take off the best and go from there. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And if you want to know when I drop a new video, please hit the bell notification. Thank you.